in ensuring that this Pax Silica project will be protected from cyber attacks?
Ma'am, like any kind of large-scale project that involves high-end tools, high-tech tools, there really is a requirement to provide sufficient cybersecurity frameworks, tools, to ensure po yung privacy po natin, to ensure that the data that needs to be protected are protected. And so the DICT, not only are we here to enable our partners in the BCDA, DTI, and DOF to pursue the success of Pax Silica, we're also here to ensure that we have the proper frameworks in place, that we have the proper people in place, that we have the proper tools in place to ensure yung ano po natin, yung data privacy po at protection po of our critical data.
Next question po. Ace Romero, Philippine Star.
Since this is a long-term project po, no, and based on the timeline that you provided, this will go fully operational under succeeding administrations na po. What is the assurance of the investors about predictability? Even they will invest and then there will come another administration, baka iba yung policy nila, and businesses want predictability in their operations. Ano yung assurance natin sa mga investors dito na hindi magiging shaky, hindi magiging unpredictable, inconsistent yung magiging policies na kanilang dadatnan?
Nga po, maraming salamat po. Natutuwa kami na ang BCDA ay mayroong magandang records on public-private partnerships. No? Kanya nga po, alam din namin na itong mga foreign entities na to, foreign partners, ay gumagawa rin ng due diligence. So in our contract, we provide those kind of security and safety provisions, no po, such that they will transcend different timelines. Ano po. So, ang kagaya po ng mga contract po na pinasok na ng BCDA recently, ay ito po ay properly passed through several layers din po ng other government agencies who are entrusted to make sure that this will pass the test of time. Halimbawa po, lahat ng contracts namin ay tinitingnan din ng Office of Government Corporate Counsel. Hindi lang yung mga lawyers namin, no, pati yung mga external counsel. They give their seal of approval. And so, ang ano po namin, ang kagandahan pa rin ho dito, marami na rin tayong mga provisions. Na po, alimbawa po, yung mga batas natin, 75 years, 99 years, batas na ho yun. So, yun po ay meron ding mechanism how to avail, no, objectively those kind of requirements. So, yun po ay, actually, hinihingi rin po yan ng mga foreign partners na how to make sure that there's predictability, certainty dito sa mga contract. At ang mga kontrata naman po ng BCDA ay more than 30 years naman po ang BCDA nagdaan na sa iba't ibang